Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add featured collections on Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, navigate to the left pane menu and click on the Products embed. Now select Collections from the drop-down menu and all of your available collections will be displayed. Here, you can also create a new collection by clicking on the Create Collection button at top right corner. Once you have created a new collection, navigate to the left side and click on Online Store. In the Themes section, click on the Customize button beside the three dots menu and a new web page will open up. Here, go to the Template tab and click on this Add Section Embed. A new pop-up will open up. Simply select Featured Collection from inside of it and then save the changes by clicking on this button. Now if I go to my online store, you can see that the Featured Collections is being displayed. So that's basically how you can add featured collections on Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.